Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today using my December kit from the scrapbookingstore.com kit club. So for this one we are doing a very Christmassy theme, and I had found these photos of my two boys, Jonas and Brennan, back when they were, I think Brennan must have been 3. This would have been 2009, I think. So yeah, Brennan was 3, Jonas was 5. He would have just turned 5 October that year. So they were still small and cute and loved helping decorate the tree. And these photos were just perfect to show off our tree trimming skills. So I'm just cutting them down to roughly, I think it was like 3 by 3, 3.5 by 3.5, something like that. Or 3 by 4, sorry. And I really liked these 4. They kind of told the whole story of us decorating the tree. I was helping, the boys were helping, and you can kind of see Mark in 2 of the photos. And I'll kind of point them out as we go along. So the first thing I am going to do is pull out this kind of quilting pattern paper. It's got a quilt vibe going on with it. And I am going to start cutting each one of these pieces up. At first I was thinking I would just do it in blocks. So I cut off that corner block, and then I'm going to cut off a bigger corner block for the top right hand corner. And I like how that looks, but then I started cutting each individual diamond shape, and I'm gonna like that so much more. I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch me cut all of these pieces out, because I literally cut out like 50 pieces of these diamond shapes, and I absolutely love how it turns out. So I will come back in a moment. To you it will be 2 seconds, to me it'll be hours later. Okay, so here you can see I kind of have a pattern going. I wanted to connect this left hand side from the top to the bottom to kind of bring in a little bit more texture to that side, because I was thinking I was going to focus my photos on the right side. But once I get done gluing all of these pieces down, I totally change my mind. So you'll see that here in just a minute. I'm going to kind of cut ahead to the end after I've glued down all of these diamond pieces. Okay, so now here you can see I have placed out my photos in what I feel is the best way right now. I am going to change it up after I mat each one of them, but I'm going to mat each photo with this polka dotted pattern paper, and then I'm going to mat with this red paper with the stars. And so each one of these are going to have that pattern paper matting them to kind of help them pop off of the diamonds and the off-white background paper. Okay, so now here is where I'm going to move around the photos and kind of play around with the placement of them. I liked the placement that I had before, but at the same time I felt like it just wasn't flowing very well on the layout. So here I am kind of playing around with the diamond shapes to add the diamond patterns behind the photos that were kind of showing too much of the off-white behind them. So I really, really like this, and this is how it's going to stay. So now I'm going to glue down all the photos and start decorating with embellishments. And I actually do add a couple more pieces, or a couple more diamond pieces in to the 2 clusters on the right side, the top right and the bottom right. But first I'm going to kind of play around with some embellishments. I'm going to put this little tag that says family on there up in that right hand corner. I'm going to put this tag that says the most wonderful time of year down between the two photos that are on the right. And I'm actually going to mat it on a red piece of paper to help it stand off of the background. And after I mat it, I'm going to pop it up on some fun foam. Here you can see I have moved on to this bottom area down here. I decided to add this Santa Claus is Coming to Town sticker. And then I'm going to put that cute little ribbon tied candy cane on that left photo. And I'm just slowly adding in some cute embellishments, keeping it very, very simple. That's one of the things that I really love about this kit club is that their kits are simple. You don't feel overwhelmed by the amount of product that you're getting, and you're not paying a crazy amount. It's $12 a month for just the main kit. And if you want the upgrade, it's really not that much more. I will leave a link below so that you can check out the pricing. And if you order from my affiliate link, I get credit for it, which gives me some nice bonus points. So make sure you order from my link. Here I'm just adding some more embellishments to each one of the clusters. And I'm just really loving incorporating this sticker sheet into my layouts. This is actually the second layout that I've made this month officially, but it's the first one that I'm posting. So here you can see I have decided to start adding a few more extra diamond shapes to a couple places that I feel are just a little empty. I need something more. Now I'm going to work on the title, and sorry, I'm getting like attached to my bracelets here. We are using this month in the upgrade kit the American Crafts stickers that are called Cedar, and they're a very, very pretty wood grain sticker. I have had so much fun using this this alpha set. So my first thought is that my title is going to be decorating early. It doesn't really work out where I'm putting it right now, so I am going to end up moving the word decorating down to where I have the word early, and it just fits so much better because it is such a long word. It just wasn't working being on the top of the word early and hanging over it. It just has so much empty space between the two words. So here I'm just going to move the word decorating down. I am going to put all of the words on some wax paper just so that I can move them around and see if I like them where they are. But the full title is going to be Decorating Early This Year. And then that is the end of my layout. I won't make you sit and watch me put down this very long title because it takes a while. But I hope that you enjoy this layout. Like I said earlier, make sure you check out my link below so that you can sign up for this kit club. It's amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.